Have you ever wondered what are the trials and tribulations that BTS, the world-renowned K-pop group, faced on their journey to global stardom? Today we delve into the chronicles of their struggles, revealing the resilience that lies beneath the glitz and glamour. Our story starts in 2013, when 7 young boys with dreams bigger than their reality banded together to form BTS. As rookies in an industry dominated by entertainment giants, they had to fight tooth and nail for recognition. Their initial performances were met with criticism. Their unique style and raw lyrics, although revolutionary, were not immediately accepted. Fast forward to 2015, BTS faced a major roadblock. Accusations of plagiarism and chart manipulation threatened to tarnish their reputation. Despite the controversy, they chose to rise above, addressing the issue through their music, reinforcing their commitment to authenticity. In 2017, the world witnessed the rise of BTS as they took home the Billboard Music Award for Top Social Artist. But success came with its own set of challenges. The intense pressure to maintain their position, coupled with a relentless schedule, took a toll on their mental and physical health. The members have candidly shared their struggles with anxiety and depression, reminding us that they too are human. The year 2021 brought a new set of trials. The global pandemic forced the cancellation of their world tour, a massive blow to the band. Isolated from their fans, they grappled with feelings of uncertainty and despair. But true to their spirit, they found solace in music, releasing songs that resonated with the struggles of millions around the world. In a nutshell, BTS's journey has been a roller coaster ride, marked by numerous hurdles. They started as underdogs in an unforgiving industry, faced accusations that questioned their integrity, grappled with the pressures of global fame, and navigated through the isolation brought by the pandemic. Yet, they emerged stronger with each challenge, their resilience echoing in their music. The tale of BTS is a testament to their unwavering spirit and the power of music. It's a reminder that success is not without its struggles, and it is through overcoming these struggles that true stars are born. Join us next time as we uncover more stories from the world of music and beyond. Until then, remember, every struggle is a step on the staircase to success.